Hello guys, so we're gonna open
Mystery box.
this is a mystery box, so we're gonna open it. We have here Nido. We're gonna open this. It's not open. Patay mo na. So we have this. What's that? So this is a beads. So we have this. Like it's a pearl. So next, so we have this. So we have a lot of whoa. So this is, and let's see what I think is this.
Ulitin mo.
So what you're gonna pick? I pick this. So we have Mira. Stop.
Screen is the green. It's green. Oh my gosh.
It's green.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for next video. Need your own squishy. It's a Nido.
Bye. See you next
Bye
time.
bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching.